other craft we have this week, which is a weaving basket. And what's inside this bag is this paper template. We've got a couple different variations of color and length on our yarn. There is a needle in there, a plastic one, and then some clips. And then in another little circle. I'm going to set that aside. So you're going to start with one yarn, and they are different sizes. One is a little bit, you have a lot more of one color and a lot less of another color, but you can decide which way you want to start. You should have enough to go all the way around your basket. If you use the yarn you have the most of first. But we're kind of just going to gently crease these upwards, and you'll see that this eventually will be the size of our basket. So I think I'm going to start with this gray here. And we have these nicely wrapped where you should be able to just undo it like that. Okay, and get started. So I'm going to hold on like this with my thumb and weave over and under all of these spokes all the way around. Because by the time you get all the way around, you should be doing the opposite of what you did the first time. So if you went over the first time, now you'll go under. These two strings together so it holds once I start knotting or start weaving again. You'll see I'm getting closer to the top where these circles, these holes are. You will do your best to go as far, as close to the top as you can without it completely unraveling all the time. But try and remember that you have those holes there, because those are going to be playing an important role in this next section of our weaving. Okay, I think this is where I am going to end it. Oh, I got a knot. Oh, not good. Well, I was thinking of ending it here soon anyway, so I guess this is a good stopping point for me. Okay. All right. So this next part we will need our little clips for. I'm gonna choose another color of yarn, and this is going to be step 5. We're just going to place our yarn around in this circle. We're gonna wrap it around a few times to make a nice top covering. I think I went around maybe 8 times here. And we're going to help hold that in place with these clips, because now we are going to take another color of yarn, and your color choices are completely your own, but I'm going to get a good length there and put a knot on the end. We're going to be pulling this through, so this one we really want secure. And now we are going to be looking for those holes. We're going to be pushing our needle through the hole on the inside and wrapping it around. Try and get in between a layer of your colored basket if you can. And we're going to pull that all the way through until your knot hits. And then we'll wrap over the top and through the back again and follow down into the next hole. And once again, we're just going to pull that all the way through. Pulling through. Inside, pull. And I can remove that now. This is probably my favorite part of the whole project. And you don't have to go around more than once, but I think I'm going to, just to kind of see what it looks like and see if it looks a little stronger. As long as I have enough yarn, I'm gonna go ahead and to push my yarn through there and just cut it off. Tuck it under. Hopefully you won't notice it. Then I'll just kind of readjust my top layer, pushing it around nicely, tucking some pieces in that might need to be tucked in. You can use your needle for that part. And just tuck that under that tail so you don't see it. And there you have the top part of your basket. And then the last thing we will do is we will take our circular template here and we will wrap our string all the way around it. You'll want to use a longer piece than this, but you'll just keep wrapping around and around until this whole piece is covered, because once it's all done, filled in like that, we'll place this in the bottom of our basket to have a nice little bottom. And there you have it, your own little basket. Thanks for joining me.